Hello everyone, my name is Gerardo Grun. Today we will dive into the applications of electromagnetics in a microwave oven. To understand how we apply electromagnetics in microwave ovens, we must first define what a microwave is. A microwave is an electromagnetic wave that usually ranges in frequencies from 3 kilohertz to about 300 gigahertz. And it has a wavelength of 1,000 to 3/10 of a meter. On the electromagnetic spectrum, it is located between radio waves and infrared waves. It is shorter than a radio wave, but longer than an infrared. Now, the heart of a microwave oven is the cavity magnetron. The cavity magnetron, it's a vacuum tube, usually made of copper, a copper anode block with a small open cavity and an oxide-coated cathode made of a material that has plenty of electrons. The beauty of a magnetron is its ability to act as a high-frequency oscillator. To create microwaves, we apply a voltage to a thin wire filament, usually located in the oxide-coated cathode, releasing electrons in the direction of the anode housing. Now, strong magnets located at the ends in the magnetron create a magnetic field that causes electrons to revolve up and down. This constant up and down motion of the electrons creates an oscillating electromagnetic field that constantly changes directions at a rate of 2.45 billion times per second. This results in a frequency in the range of microwaves, and this is where the microwaves are born. A waveguide, usually located at the end of the magnetron, directs the microwaves to the protected metal walls inside a microwave oven. Now, the importance of the changing magnetic field, electromagnetic field, is that water molecules located in food have a positive and negative charge in. As the electromagnetic field changes, the charges in the water molecules, they try to align with these changing poles. This constant motion from the water molecules creates friction and releases energy in the form of heat. Modern magnetrons, they usually operate at a pretty high level of efficiency, around 65% of the total input power into generated microwaves. That's going to be it. Thank you guys for your time. Please, if you have any questions, leave it down below in the comments. Thank you.